Menteri Rangba aga Jylla Konrad Konggal Sangma ulapan syai baka Jingwan Thung ye ki Mawpud nakaliang ka Assam Haka Hima Jirang Kadei ka Blale Khlem ka Jingtip jong ki bor sarkar na kini ki ar Jylla Kaba halor kani ulade ban pentim show Menteri Rangba aga Jylla ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma Ulaya thuru banakaliang jong ulade ban tha ya Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District banyakran badu Deputy Commissioner ka Kamrup District bade ban pej ye kane ka banta Shushu ulapan syairu bakane ka Jingwan Thung ye Mawpud Haka Hima Jirang Kadei ka Blale Khlem ka Jingtip jong ka sarkar Assam lani ka sarkar Meghalaya bad menta lada ban tha badai ban wengno yakini ki Mawpud.
So we will try to take up the matter and we will see, but I cannot give any commitments at this point in time.
So also
so this issue has been taken up at the Chief Minister of Assam's level. I spoke to him personally. He has instructed his officials. I have spoken to the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi, who spoke to the Deputy Commissioner for his counterpart, and all this activity that was done without the knowledge of Assam government or of Meghalaya government. Both the governments were not in the thing. Accordingly, the concerned agencies have been asked to remove all of them, and they have removed them.
Thank you.